Hello and welcome to the channel. Are you trying to install Maven on your Windows 10 computer? Are you experiencing any issue in the process of the installation right now? If that is the case, don't worry, I have you covered, because if you follow me step by step, you will get that installed successfully without any single issue. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. But first of all, what we have to do is to check if we have Java JDK installed on our system. That is necessary. Let's go check just that. Click on the start button and type cmd, hit enter. Then on your command prompt, go type mvc space -- version. You can see we don't have Maven. Let's go check if we have JDK. Java JDK. So Java space -- version. In my own case, I have it. If you don't have it, and if you don't know how to install that, I will leave a link in the description box. I have a video on that. Go watch that and then come back and continue with the installation of Maven. So let's go install Maven. Head over to your browser and type Apache. Type Apache Maven org. That will take you here. Go click on the download here. Click. Once you are here, scroll down and there. Let's see. Here, go look for binary zip archive. We need, under the link, we need this one. Apache Maven 3.81 bin.zip. Click on it. As you can see, we just downloaded that. So what you have to do here, please, let's go extract this file. But before we continue, please, I have a request. Right now, below your screen, on your right hand side, you will see that red subscribe button. Please help me subscribe to the channel, support me, motivate me for more videos, and like the video as well. Without you guys, we are going nowhere. The channel will not survive without subscribers. So help me click on that red subscribe button and support me. So what we have to do, just go open here and go for show in folder. Once you're here we have it, as you can see. Then right click on it and extract here. So in your own case, you can, maybe you have extract all or extract here. Click on extract here. We just extracted that. Let me go look for it. Let me go down, and here we go. Right click and cut it. Cut so that we can go paste it on the program files. Here is the program files. You can go click here if you like. That will go to the program files immediately. But if you don't want to go through here, then click on the start button, type this, and then click on this PC. And then click on local disk. Then go look for program files. Then go look for here, just right click out here and click on paste. So here you you will need to provide administrator permission to move to this folder. Continue. As you can see, we have it here. Just click on that Apache Maven, double click, then go look for bin. Here we have bin. Double click on that bin. Here, once you're here, go click here, up here, and then copy the location. After that, go click on the start button again and type env, and click on this edit system environment variables. And here, go click on environment variables. Then under user variables for user, go click on new, and under variable name, type in Maven underscore home. Then under variable value, paste that location link, delete the bin part of it, and click OK. Then under this user variables for user again, click on new, then type in m2 underscore Maven, no, m2 underscore home. Then under variable value, paste the link again, remove the bin, and click OK. The reason we have these two, m2 home, Maven home, is that some applications that they don't recognize like Maven, some recognize m2, so that is why we have it that way. So after that, go under system variables, go look for paths. Here we have paths, double click, and then under here, go look for new, click on new, right click now and paste that location link. This time, don't remove the bin, don't delete the bin, leave it that way, and click OK, then click OK, then click OK. Let's go check if we have successfully added Maven. Click on the start button again and type cmd and hit enter. Now let's go type mvn space dash dash version and hit enter. Let's wait and see. As you can see, we successfully added Apache Maven on our system. So this is how to add Maven Apache on our Windows 10. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to motivate me by subscribing to the channel. Thank you and God bless.